Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A53, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel, extend it, and find the battery saver toggle, which for me it's going to be the second page, and it's called power saving mode. And simply tap on it. As you can see, the brightness or max brightness drops down, and apart from that, it will do a couple additional things that are not really stated or visible, which one of them will be disconnecting from Wi-Fi and mobile network when the device is not being used for some kind of time. So I just say for 5 minutes if you don't touch your phone. I'm not exactly sure how long. The device simply disconnects from Wi-Fi and mobile networking, and this will in turn not receive basically any kind of notifications because of it. So if you were to get some kind of notification from Facebook or whatever, you will not get that till you actually interact with the device. So when you wake it up once more like that, it will then immediately reconnect to either Wi-Fi, mobile, or both, and in terms then sync whatever information was waiting for the Wi-Fi. So that is a little bit of a downside for that, but it does save you battery. Now outside of that, you can extend it yourself a little bit more if you want to. So dropping brightness even further is one of the options you can do, and this will extend the battery a little bit further. And then also if we go into the toggles like Bluetooth, location, mobile data, Wi-Fi, what else we have here? Let me quickly go. NFC and personal hotspot, and all those will consume a little bit more battery, so you can make sure that they're disabled by simply toggling them off like so, and this will increase your battery life further. And outside of that, once you're done with this mode, simply go back to the toggle and turn it off or fully charge your device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.